Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by removing the AirTag from any case and placing it on a flat surface. This ensures consistent contact when you press the battery. Once done, unlock your iPhone and open the Find My app so it can detect the tag. Make sure Bluetooth and location are enabled. Keep the AirTag within about 10 cm of the phone to maintain a stable connection. You're starting the physical steps now because a clean, close setup prevents false failures during the reset. You next remove the cover by pressing and rotating it counterclockwise. This lets you access the CR2032 battery. Take the battery out briefly, then reinsert it with the positive side up. That orientation is crucial for the AirTag circuitry. Press down on the battery until you hear a chime, then remove and press again. Repeat this removal and press cycle 5 times total. Doing this sequence fully resets the tag's internal state, which clears the previous pairing and prepares it for reaction. Once you've completed 5 press cycles, align the cover and press down while rotating clockwise until it locks. That secures the battery and completes the reset. Then open Find My. You should see the AirTag listed as ready to set up, which indicates the reset succeeded. If the tag does not appear, make sure Bluetooth is on, restart your iPhone, and repeat the battery press sequence. Intermittent contacts or a low battery are the most common causes of detection failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.